Hey there, food fanatics and curious minds. You know that jug of vinegar you've got stashed in the back of your pantry? Well, get ready to have your world rocked because that unassuming bottle is about to become your new best friend. We're talking about the unsung hero of the household, the multi-purpose marvel, the one, the only, vinegar. We're diving deep into 10 mind-blowing vinegar hacks that'll have you saying, "Why didn't I think of that?" Alright folks, let's kick things off with the most famous of vinegar's superpowers, its cleaning prowess. Vinegar's acidity is a natural enemy of grime, grease, and all those other things that make your house look like a disaster zone. We're talking about banishing soap scum from your shower doors, making your windows sparkle like diamonds, and even giving your countertops a good germ-busting scrub. And the best part? You can ditch those harsh chemicals because vinegar is all natural and won't leave your house smelling like a toxic wasteland. Just soak a rag in some vinegar, wrap it around the affected area, and let it work its magic overnight. By morning, those stains will be history, and you'll be left wondering why you ever wasted money on expensive cleaning products. Now let's take this vinegar train outside because, believe it or not, this kitchen staple is a gardener's best friend. Forget those expensive fertilizers and pesticides, vinegar is here to save the day and your plants will thank you for it. First up, let's talk weeds. Just mix up a solution of vinegar and water, pour it into a spray bottle and unleash its wrath on those unwanted guests. The acetic acid in vinegar will zap those weeds right out of existence, leaving your garden looking pristine and your plants free to thrive. Did you know that it can actually help your acid-loving plants like hydrangeas and rhododendrons to flourish? Just add a cup of vinegar to a gallon of water and use it to water your plants once a month. So ditch the chemicals and embrace the power of vinegar in your garden. Alright beauty buffs, this one's for you. Put down the expensive toners and hair treatments because vinegar is about to become your new best friend in the bathroom. That's right, this kitchen staple is packed with natural astringent and shine-enhancing properties that can work wonders for your skin and hair. If you're tired of battling oily skin and breakouts, vinegar can help. Its natural acidity helps to balance the pH of your skin, tighten pores, and even reduce the appearance of acne scars. Simply mix equal parts vinegar and water, apply it to your face with a cotton ball after cleansing, and let it dry. Your skin will feel refreshed, toned, and oh so smooth. If your locks are looking dull and lifeless, a vinegar rinse is just what the doctor ordered. Simply mix a tablespoon of vinegar with a cup of water and pour it over your hair after shampooing and conditioning. Next up, we're tackling a chore that nobody likes, but everybody has to do: laundry. But fear not, because vinegar is here to make this dreaded task a little bit easier and a whole lot cheaper. Forget those expensive fabric softeners and stain removers. Vinegar is all you need to keep your clothes soft, fresh, and looking their best. Just add a cup of vinegar to your washing machine's rinse cycle, and watch as your clothes come out feeling softer than ever before. Plus, vinegar is a natural deodorizer, so it will help to eliminate any lingering odors, leaving your clothes smelling fresh and clean. Vinegar is also a whiz at tackling stains, especially those pesky underarm deodorant marks that can ruin your favorite shirts. Simply apply some vinegar to the stain before washing and watch as it disappears without a trace. Now we can't forget about vinegar's original stomping grounds, the kitchen. Sure, it makes a mean salad dressing, but this versatile ingredient can do so much more than just dress your greens. Get ready to unleash your inner chef as we explore the culinary magic of vinegar. Vinegar is a natural tenderizer, so it's perfect for marinating tougher cuts of meat like flank steak or pork shoulder. The acid in vinegar helps to break down tough muscle fibers, resulting in a more tender and flavorful finished product. It can also add a bright tangy flavor to sauces, soups, and stews. A splash of red wine vinegar can add depth to a tomato sauce, while apple cider vinegar can brighten up a hearty lentil stew. And let's not forget about pickling. Vinegar is the key ingredient in countless pickling recipes, from classic dill pickles to pickled onions and beets. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't be afraid to experiment with vinegar. You might just be surprised at the culinary masterpieces you can create. Calling all pet lovers. Did you know that vinegar can be your secret weapon for tackling those pesky pet-related problems? From cleaning accidents to repelling fleas, vinegar is here to make your life as a pet owner a little bit easier. If your furry friend has an accident on the carpet, don't panic. Vinegar to the rescue. Blot up as much of the mess as possible, then mix equal parts vinegar and water and apply it to the affected area. Let it sit for a few minutes, then blot it dry. The vinegar will help to neutralize odors and prevent staining, leaving your carpets clean and fresh. It can also help to keep those pesky fleas at bay. Simply mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle and apply it to your pet's fur, avoiding the eyes and mouth. Alright, health nuts, this one's for you. Believe it or not, vinegar isn't just good for cleaning and cooking, it can also give your health a boost. That's right, this pantry staple has been touted for its potential health benefits for centuries. While more research is always being done, some studies suggest that vinegar may help to regulate blood sugar levels, promote weight loss, and even improve heart health. One of the most well-known health benefits of vinegar is its potential to aid in digestion. The acetic acid in vinegar is thought to help stimulate the production of stomach acid, which can help to break down food more effectively. This can be especially helpful for people who suffer from indigestion or acid reflux. Some studies suggest that vinegar may help to increase feelings of fullness, which can lead to reduced calorie intake and ultimately weight loss. Got a clogged drain or a rusty tool? Don't call the plumber or run to the hardware store just yet. Vinegar to the rescue once again. This multi-purpose marvel is a homeowner's secret weapon for tackling all sorts of common household problems. Let's start with that clogged drain. Pour a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by a cup of vinegar. Let it fizz for about 30 minutes, then flush with hot water. The baking soda and vinegar work together to break down clogs and clear out your drain naturally. It's also a whiz at removing rust from tools and other metal objects. Simply soak the rusty items in vinegar overnight, then scrub away the rust with a wire brush. Now let's take this vinegar show on the road because this pantry staple is about to become your car's new best friend. Forget those expensive car cleaning products and de-icers. Vinegar is here to save the day and your wallet. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant and deodorizer, making it the perfect solution for cleaning those sticky cup holders, dusty dashboards, and even pet hair on upholstery. Simply mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle and get to work. Your car will be sparkling clean and smelling fresh in no time. It can also help to remove frost from your windshield on those chilly winter mornings. Simply mix a solution of 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water and spray it on your windshield. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the ultimate vinegar hack that will blow your mind. This one is so ingenious, so unexpected that you'll be kicking yourself for not knowing about it sooner. Get ready to witness the power of vinegar to insert specific problems solved by vinegar. You've probably tried all sorts of products and methods, but nothing seems to work quite right. Well, prepare to be amazed because vinegar is about to become your new go-to solution. Provide a detailed explanation of how to use vinegar to solve the problem. So there you have it, folks. 10 genius vinegar hacks that prove this humble pantry staple is a true multi-purpose marvel. From banishing grime to boosting your health and even saving you money, vinegar is the ultimate household hero. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks, and we'll see you in the next video.